the piano.
We did it.
Yeah, real good you did.
Paglarip si isagutisa nara ola tingnazika. Welcome everyone. We can get started. I'm really encouraging my family to speak Inupiat to my kids. So koyanak kaigapsi. I'm real thankful you all are here. Inupiatun Inupiaut mexlektuvot Atikaa Aġlizaqlaut Uiviilaut Inupiatun. So this is material from my master's thesis, and ilisaliurigutani kanek mumikpa nalok mutun atawsik susuk ujirokpiu Inupiatun asi nalok mutun.
I will love you forever.
Oy.
Inurang. My human, my person, my.
You know, my grandma Annie used to call my dad Inuga, like my person when he was running the Iditarod. Inuga, almost the same, huh?
Makes sense. I mean, we talk like that. Avok shuri kinga. Avok shuri klunga. Oh, avok shuri klunga dani apekshu shuksanga. May I ask you, or I'll ask you, or something about asking? Something about asking.
Ask me again.
Ask me again. Okay. Ask me again.
Avokshurek lungatani apikshu sanga.
Avokshurek lungatani apikshu.
Ilamang, my family, my precious family, my precious relatives. Kunikalain, kuniyakping. Let me kiss you. Erik Kigbin ilumutun. Erik Kigbin ilumutun. Ekipellaripin. I remember this. Ilumutun, truly. Something you truly carry you. I don't remember. And then you want to try? You want to try it?
Yeah,
so I try them all cold so I could try to and show you my thinking as I struggle through and not struggle through the different components of it.
So eret or ekhet, that verb stem is to hug.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Eret kervin ilumutun, I'm really hugging you. Ekipialak ikpin. So these are just some of the things that we've worked on before. And I'd like to just do a review. And I also taught this before, but I'd like to do it again, just for repetition. Ujiognagi, oh no, Ujiogliogira, or no, Ujiogliorea. Inunernek, Inusimni, Inupiatun Arnalu Angutilu, Savakhatigurut, Asi, Tuvakatilutek, Epagiglutek, Uangalu, Nuleangalu, Panagiglutek, Tema Avanmun, Savotisurut, Ekayutisurut, Arnam, Ilani, Angutim Savanga Savakhluru, Ilani Angutit Arnam, Savanga Savakhluru. This was a quote by Aniksok, Ron Brower, and he helped integrate a lot of cultural aspects to child raising into the curriculum. And then I usually, so like in the review, I had Shishmaref Inupiaq first and then North Slope. And so there's two versions of this curriculum, one in North Slope, which was the original, and then it was translated into Shishmaref, mostly by Ungok, Georgianne Merrill from Shishmaref. Asi kikikta mute or kikikta mutun Inupiatun inusigot aknalu angutilu sawit katigiktatut suli epagiklu patnaitlu uiragalu sulinuleagalu sawit katigiktut damarmek temas sawillutek damarmun uemnun suli igazotigiklutek Ilatni aranak sawilliortok angutim sawaranek ilatni angun soeqaliortok arnam sawaranek. And I like to share this because when it comes to child raising or just anything related to the family, in our Inupiaq culture, we have more gender or more fluid gender roles. And one of the things that Aniksok said was like, it's really important for both men and women to express affection to children. And the first 4 units of the curriculum are all about establishing a strong bond between parent and child. And so a lot of the verbs that we're working on is just to nurture and show that children are loved. Akang ujiokpiu.
Uktuaqliuqia Inupiatun inuserut arnaalu angutilu swaqatigiktatut suli epariglu litiu
Patnagitlu.
patnagitlu uigalu suli nuleagalu swaqatigik tut damaqnik teimas soilutik tamamun wimnun suli igazotigik lutik ilatniarnak soiliortok angutim swaganik ilatni angun swaqaliortok arnam swaganik. Tara.
Ilguratutin. Uktuaqpiu susuk. I think it's good to get the tongue flowing in Inupiaq before we go into practicing Tiku.
Can you move it over a little bit, Anok? It's just cut off a little. Or wait.
Mine is good.
Oh, I see.
Might be your phone, computer. ya. Inupiat.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Nagulat.
is,
Inupiatun inusigud ang nalo ang utilu sawit katigi tuat sawit katigi tatut suli ei pariklu partneritlu uigalu suli nulegalu sawit katigi tut tamagmik teima sawit tamagmun wigamun wigamnun suli igazaw tigik lutik ilad ni angnak so iklioktuk angutim tawaganik ilad ni angun so akalioktuk angnam sawakaganik sawaganik
iku.
Aguguraktuk
Karayakoilak ujiakpiu. Now,
Now,
Uktuaokpiu, did you want to try kare? Or if
Sure.
it feels
No, I can. Inupiatun inusiut ang lalu. I forget the N with the J sound.
ra.
ang nalo.
Or wait,
Oh,
N with the
N.
tail?
Yeah.
Oh, nga.
Nga.
Wah. Angut.
Nga.
Yeah.
Angutilu. Sawit got tigak tatut. Suli.
Geek datut.
One more time.
Geek datut.
Hik tak tatut.
Yeah.
Sawit got tigik tatut. Suli. Ipakiklu.
Ipakiklu.
Ipakiklu. Patnagitlu. Wikalu. Suli. Niligalu. Sawit katigitut. Tamarmik. Tema. Sawilutik.
Sawitlutik.
Yeah, Sawitlutik.
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 Tamagmun.
Wamnun.
Tamagmun.
Wamnun.
Wamnun. Suli. Ikazat tigiklutik. Help me with this one. After
Igazotigiklutik.
Ikazot
Mhm.
and then what's double L? One more time.
Oh no, that's a I. Ilatni.
L.
Oh, ilatni agnak sawilutuk.
Sioktuk, like das.
Soy
Sioktuk.
Sawilutuk.
sioktuk.
Ngutim sawahanik. Ilatni angun. Sawalutuk. Anglam sawahanik.
Bigyan
Din.
Uiviilaut. Uiviilaut. Na Nalakasi. Nunyakalin. Asinor slope. Nunyakalakpin. Asi atochikun. Delugu. Nunyakalin.
Nunyakalin.
Kalin.
Nunyakalin.
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 Yeah.
Nunyakalin.
Nunyakalin.
Kalin.
Helen.
Asi kunak. Delugu unasuli. Nunyakalin.
Nunyakalin.
Bingasuni. Nunyakalin.
Nunyakalin. Tulu.
Asi kayaoy.
Tulu.
Karayoilak. Delugu una. Bingasuni.
Nunyakalin.
Asi susuk. Delugu una.
Nunyakalin.
Asi akang.
Nunyakalin. Ilikasi. Nunyakalin. Ilikasi. Nunyakalin. All of you.
Bigu. Nunyak tutin ilumutun akang.
Umatindi.
Asi nalakasi. Nunyagatarikpin. Suzok. Nami. Adochikun. Adosigun.
Yeah.
Adosigun.
Adosigun.
Delu.
Adosigun.
Nunyagatarikpin.
Nunyaгаtarikpin. Adosigun. Anok, are you saying Adosikun mean all of us?
Yeah, everybody.
And then Adosiukar, Lucy, huh? One at a time. Huh? Okay.
Atosia Kasi is one at a time.
Adosiukalusi. Adosiukalusi, is it? Adosiukalusi at one at a time, and at one time is Adosikun. Ilokasi Adosikun Utwaklu. All of
Okay.
you all at once do it. Say it together. Nunya
Ki.
Kata.
Nunyagadakikpin.
Yeah. Nunya
Nunyagadakikpin.
Nunyagadakikpin.
Are we just to clarify, are we saying nunyaгаtarikpin or nunyaгаtarikpin? Should we put an extra A or should we have one A?
Nunya
Oh.
Katarikpin.
How would you say it?
I would read
One A?
nunyaгаtarikpin.
Nunya.
If we say nunyaгаtarikpin, I would add one more A.
Oh, after G with a dot?
Before, after the T. So my question
No.
is a technical one.
Katarikpin.
Yeah, I think I must have been saying it with double A, but I think it's supposed to be just one. So Nunyagatarikpin, is that?
That sounds like that's one thing I heard lots of recently is definitely with a katak. Nunya katarikpin is how I would read it. Nunya katarikpin.
Nunya
Nunyakatarikpin.
Nunya katarikpin. Mhm.
Nunya
Okay. And is that with just one A or two?
one.
With one
Okay.
A.
Nunyakatarikpin.
Tarikpin.
Nunya katarikpin would have one more A
Oh,
after
Nunya.
the T. So that's so my question, should we correct our spelling or our pronunciation? Which
I
one?
think pronunciation.
Okay. Thank you and thank you.
Nunyakatarikpin.
Nunya katarikpin.
Nunyakatarikpin.
Nunya Katarikpin.
Nunyakatarikpin.
Uiviilaut.
Yeah, Katarikpin.
Hi, Oposo.
Hello, everybody. Hi. I I was looking for something in my junk mail the other day and I found your invitations. So
Oh, Kwanak.
shucks. Hi, Suzuk.
Hey Jennifer, good to see you.
Good to see you. Long time no see.
Long time.
Where's everybody?
Oposo.
Katarikpin. Nunya
Ukok,
Katarikpin.
Ukok Angudik Angutnonika. These two guys right here are my little brothers.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Asi una avilay Katiga Aposok Ilichirok Inupiatun.
Arga.
Ilichisurok Inupiatun. This is my friend Aposok who I've been learning Inupiat with her for maybe a decade now.
Yeah,
Wow.
not enough.
So we're Ilisalio, we're just learning Nunyagatakikpin and so Na Lakasi is like you all listen Na Lakasi, and then Ilukasi Adosirun Telugu is like all of you say it together.
Mm.
Asi Adausiu Kalusi is like, and then you each say it. So right now Akupak Ilukasi Adosirun Telugu Nunyagatakikpin.
Nunya Katarikpin.
Nunyakatarikpin.
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 Katarikpin.
Below Taktusi. Susok Adausiok Kalusi Pingasuni.
Nunya katarikpin. Nunya katarikpin. Nunya katarikpin.
Si Aposok.
Oh, hold on. Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin.
Below Taktutin. Si Kare.
Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin.
Kunak.
Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin.
Ra. Ra.
Katarikpin.
Yeah, Katarikpin.
Rikpin.
Yeah, Katarikpin.
Nunyakatarikpin.
Katarikpin.
Nunya Katarikpin.
Rikpin. Elvin Kunak. Ratarikpin.
Katarikpin.
Nyakatarikpin.
Nyakatarikpin.
Nunyakatarikpin.
Nunyakatarikpin. Nunyakatarikpin.
Below Taktutin. Asi naalakasi nunyarikvin asi ilukasi atosirun teilugu nunyarikvin
Nunarik,
Nunarikben.
Nunarikvin. Nunarikvin.
Nunarikben.
Nunarikvin.
Nunarikben. Nunarikben.
akang teilugu pingasuni
Nunarikvin. 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 Nunarikvin.
Yeah, and I noticed that sometimes Georgianne will say Nunagigvin or Nunagigvin. But when I double checked with her, she insisted on Nunagigvin, but I think people will kind of say both in natural.
Nunarikvin. But I gotta say the K. Nunarikvin. Nunarikvin.
Nunarikben.
Susuk.
Might I suggest that we let your mom always go first, and whatever she come up with naturally, we use it that way? Because partially because we never know if it's our spelling or if it's our reading. And then the other piece is, like you said, sometimes I would find the same thing with my mom. They would say it one way. When I ask again, it come out another way. So I said, always let your mom go first, and whatever comes out naturally, let's do it that way.
Pukiksutin. You're smart. Pukiksutin. Ariga asi susuk dokpyu.
Yeah.
Pingasuni.
Yeah. Nunarigbin. Nunarigbin. Nunarigbin.
Nunarikvin.
Aposok teilugu pingasuni.
Nunarikvin. Do we try both versions or just whichever one that belongs to us, or like?
Yeah, I've been focusing on so maybe you see that the top is Kikikdamut, like Shishmaf style, and then the bottom is North Slope.
North Slope.
Kivalina
and Point Beaufort, or North Slope. So would I do the North Slope one then, or are we practicing both?
The one you want to
can-
do. The one you
it's
do.
quite- So that's a good reminder for me to also say the North Slope, because there might be people watching on the recordings that are wanting to do North Slope. So yeah, Nunyarikpin would be North Slope.
Okay. Nunarikvin. Nunarikvin. Nunarikvin.
Araha, Kuyanak.
Can I ask a question? If there's a tilde on top of the N, are you Nunarikvin? How would you?
Thing.
Nunyarikpin. Pin.
Like onion.
Oh, Nunarikvin.
Yeah.
As opposed to Nunarikvin.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Like.
can you say the both of them so I can hear?
Yeah. Nunyarikpin. 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 Nunyarikpin.
Oh.
Bin. 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 Bin.
Bin.
Nunarikvin. Nunarikvin. Bin.
Bin.
Nunarikvin.
Bin.
Bin. Okay.
Asi una nunyarnyarikpin. Nunyarnyarikpin.
Oof. It's a challenging one.
Uktuarukpiyong una aposok.
Nunyarat Derikpin. Nunyarat Derikpin.
bin.
Nunyarikpin. 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 Nunyarikpin.
Uiviilaut, Uiviilaut, bin,
Pin.
bin,
Rekpin.
nyarikpin,
Nyarikpin.
nyarikpin,
Nyarikpin. Nyarikpin. Nyarikpin.
nyarikpin,
Nyarikpin.
nyarikpin.
Nunyarikpin. Nunyarikpin.
It almost sounds like the nyak is like a nunak sound. Nunyarikpin, nunyarikpin.
Nunyarikpin.
Hello, Dr. Din.
Nunyarikpin.
Asi kakayawailak yun una.
Nunyarikpin.
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 Asi kakayawai kunak Telugu pingasuni una.
Nunyarikpin. Nunyarikpin. Nunyarikpin.
Nunyarikpin.
Can you say it one more time for me?
Nunyarikpin.
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 Are you reading the top one or the bottom one?
The top one.
Nunyarikpin.
Yep, the top.
Okay, so it's Nunyarikpin with a, you were saying PIN. It should be VIN.
Nunyarikpin.
Devra. Ariga, below Dr. C. Dr. C.
Nunyarikpin.
Asi nalagasi. Demerclain. Asi ukag how you kanok tayo pa Inupiatun don't speak.
Kanyak nasi.
Panik nasi?
Kanyak nasi. Like don't speak?
Kanek nasi. Nalagasi. Demerclain. Derumerlakpin. Asi ilukasi atosigun Telugu. Demerclain.
Demerclain.
Demerclain. Atosigun ilukasi. Derumerlakpin. Devra.
Demerc is to hold. Demerclain.
2 eyes.
Demerc. It's easy to say demerclain.
Demerc.
Demerclain.
Okay.
Demerc is to hold. Demerclain.
Si susok.
So the ending after Q is makes it I'll carry you.
Let me.
Let me.
So glakbin and lane is like let me.
We're always backwards, Kaki.
Yeah.
Kinyasuli. Susok.
Đi Mạc Lane, đi Mạc Lane, đi Mạc Lane. Đi cô Mạc Lắc Pin. Cô Mạc Lắc Pin. Mạc Lắc Pin. How do I say that?
Joy.
Fun.
Alea suka. Fun.
Yeah, Alia Nate Pukdok. Lot of fun.
Oh,
Alienate po.
Alia Nate Pukdok. Alia Suk is to cry. Some of us Alia Nate Pukdok.
Sunni. Susanit.
Dogma.
I can't hear you. Apostle.
I didn't realize you were saying my name.
Oh,
Sa Dane.
Tegumiya Galakpin. Tegumiya Galakpin. Tegumiya Galakpin. Tegumiya Galakpin. Tegumiya Galakpin. I also want to say I've known Suzuk for very, 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 very long time. Because we took Inupiat with Lorena Williams.
I was gonna say we've been studying together for 30 years, but with a break.
Since we had no gray hair.
Yep, 30 years ago we took class together.
We were young and skinny and didn't know anything.
Alienate Pakdok.
Alia Nate Pukdok.
May we be studying Inupiat for another 30 years.
Yeah,
So we
forever.
did it.
By then there will be nothing left to study. We'll just be passing it along.
Yeah, we'll be fine. I am Inupiat. I know everything.
Imana Itok. That's how it is.
Imana itok.
Imana Itok. Imana Itok.
And I've got allergies. That's why my eyes are just watering like crazy. A lot of books in here.
Yeah, I took 2 Benadryls this morning. Kunak.
Dear McLean. Dear McLean. Dear McLean.
Joy. Kakayakoylak.
Timiaklain.
Imaklain.
Timiaklain.
Imaklain.
Timiaklain. Timiaklain.
Dear McLean.
Timiaklain.
Ang no naka Aktuglu una. Use this when you talk to my children. I better hear you say Dimaklane.
It's written down.
Yeah.
Naalakasi, kanernasi. Dimeagatarikpin. Am I saying it with 1 A or 2? Dimeagatarikpin.
Sounds good. I would I would just put one more I before the M and then Di Meagatarikpin. You're saying it with the ones though. Sounds good.
Okay.
Wait, where does the other I go?
Before the M. Di
Oh,
meagatarikpin. Di meagatarikpin.
yeah.
Takikpin. Di meakatakikpin.
Imiakatakikpin.
Di meakatakikpin.
Diamakatarikpin.
Takikpin.
I'm gonna
I know when you
Idok.
say listen first, I remember you used to say nalagnesichi, but it sounds different now.
It was
Yeah, I was teaching you Northwest Arctic Inupiat.
because Jasmine
I-
was there, and
Uh
that other girl was from there.
uh
What was her name? Ano?
Yeah, so
And that other girl,
Ulak.
Ulak, was from Kobuk area, huh? That's why you taught it that way.
so you're saying it how now?
Inupiatun.
So you're learning your family's way of speaking now.
Yeah. So say it that way again one more time.
Nalagasi. Nalagasi. Nalagasi.
Nalas.
Nalagasi.
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 Asi nalagasi. Nalagasi. Kanernasi. Nunyang. Oh wait, we're Dizangilin. Digumyang nyarikpin. Digumyang nyarikpin. Digumyang nyarikpin.
Inupiatun.
Dimeagatarikpin.
Igumyanarikpin.
Diamakatarikpin.
Igumyanarikpin.
Ilukasi atosi unte iluku. Dimyagatarikpin.
Dimeagatarikpin.
Dimyakatarikpin.
Inupiatun.
Asi North Slope. Ilukasi atosi un. Digumyang nyarikpin.
Igumyanarikpin.
Inupiatun.
Igumyanarikpin. Igumyanarikpin.
Diku adawsiu kalusi. Akang. Sibuliu.
Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't play beadwork at the same time. I thought I was an expert already. Dimeagatarikpin. Dimeagatarikpin. Dimeagatarikpin.
I like how you say things.
Dimeagatarikpin.
Yeah.
Dimeagatarikpin. 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 Dimeagatarikpin.
Yori. Asi susok. Iluguping asuni.
Dimeagatarikpin. 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 Dimeagatarikpin.
Oy. Kagaya ko ilak.
Dimyakatarikpin. 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 Tigumiarnarikbin. Tigumiarnarikbin. Tigumiarnarikbin.
No Dr. Ding.
Merik bin.
Miarnarikbin.
Merik.
Merik bin.
Timiarrikbin.
No merik bin. Tigo merik bin.
Abosok.
Sounds like ding me, like I'm flying, almost. Tegomiaraniarikbin. Tegomiaraniarikbin. Tegomiaraniarikbin.
Frozen.
Dimiaratarikbin. Dimiaratarikbin. Dimiaratarikbin.
Did you do North Slope yet?
Eh,
I might have.
Tegomia-
Okay. I know. Sorry, I think my my thing cut out.
Oh, Tegomiaraniarikbin.
Below Dr.
Bin. Die merik bin.
Si nalarasi. Nalarasi. Demerit bin. Demerit bin. Demerit bin. Asi Digumerit bin. Digumerit bin. Digumerit bin. Ilukasi atosiun dilugu. Demerit bin.
Bin.
Miarikbin.
Die merik bin.
Timiarrikbin.
Dimiarikbin.
Die merik bin.
Timiarrikbin.
Merik bin.
Asi ilukasi atosiun dilugu. Digumerit bin.
Tigumiarrikbin.
Bin.
Tegomiarikbin.
Tigumiarrikbin.
Merik bin.
Tigumiarrikbin.
Tegomiarikbin.
Tigumiarrikbin.
Tegomiarikbin. Tegomiarikbin.
And I think since we only have a few minutes left, I wanted to practice the songs. So adokta nalakasi nunerik bin ilumutun nunek lachiorigvin nunerik bin ilumutun nunek lachiorigvin dimerik bin ilumutun dimeri lachiorigvin asi nunerik bin nuneapialak kikbin nunerik bin ataramek digumerik bin digumeapialak kikbin digumerik bin ataramek ilok niagiga una asi Kenya aturuk byung. Oh, akang sivuluruding.
Kina ako atorukpa. You're asking kina atorukpa. Nunerik
Yeah.
nunerik ben ilumutun nunerik liorigvin dimerik ben ilumutun dimerik liorigvin.
Yoy. Asi susok. Aturuk ba?
Yeah. Aturuktunga. Nunerikbin ilumutun. Nunerlaklirikbin. Di mearigbin. Di mearigbin ilumutun. Di mearilagliorigbin.
Loi. Lotaktutin. Atulotaktutin. Oposok.
Pinalo.
Nunya rekpin. Nunya Nunya pialakitpin. Nunya rekpin ataramek.
Ataramek.
Ataramek. I'm also learning Yupik, so I'm mixing stuff up. Nun
Una. Una. Pialak.
pialak
Kikpin.
kikpin.
Nunya pialak kikpin.
Nunya pialakikpin. Nunya
Yoi.
pialakikpin. Nunya pialakikpin. Nunya, okay. Nunya kikpin ataramik. Say it again.
Ataramek.
Ataramek.
Ataramik. Tegumia rikpin. Tegumia pialakik. Tegumia pialakikpin. Tegumia rikpin ataramik. Ataramik.
Ataramek.
Ataramek.
Ataramik. Okay.
Yoi. Atulotaktutin. Araha. Real long words you're learning.
Hey.
Takirut. Kalwit. Kakayakoylak. Atuk pa.
Piung. Atok piung kakilwilam.
Nunarikvin ilumutun. Nunaklaglugvin. Nunaklaglugvin.
Wow.
Nunaklaglugvin. Nunarikvin ilumutun. Nunalaglurikvin. Nunalaglurikvin. You say that one more time?
Nunaklaglurikvin.
Nunalaglurikvin.
Win.
Nunalaglurikvin.
Liorigwin.
Nunalaglurikvin.
Liorigwin.
Dimirikvin.
Dimerk.
Dimirikvin.
Dimerik.
Dimirikvin. Ilumutin. Dimirglugvin. Dimirglugvin.
Uva. Uaktun. Yigvin.
Yigvin.
Hliurigvin.
One more time.
Hliurigvin.
Klurigvin.
Lak hliurigvin.
Klurigvin.
Gilach hliurigvin.
Gilaklurigvin.
Miagilach hliurigvin.
Miagilaklurigvin.
Dimiagilach hliurigvin.
Dimiagilaklurigvin.
Kunak itkanaikpin.
Nunya rikvin. Nunya rikvin ilumutun. Nunya Cla Nunia Cla Luhikvin.
Nagudok. Dimerk.
Dimerikvin.
Hewin.
Dimerikvin ilimutun. Timergele Giluk. Shit.
Cleo.
Dimergileruk.
Cleo. Rigvin. Dimergilak Cleo Rigvin. Dimergalak Cleo Rigvin.
Dimergilak Clo Luhikvin.
Dimergilak Cleo Rigvin. Dimergilak Cleo Rigvin.
Dimergilak
Cleo
Luhikvin.
Cleo Rigvin.
Ilak
Clue.
Ilak Cleo Rigvin.
Clurigvin.
Good. Uktuak totin.
Clurigvin.
Below Dr.
Nagod. Pilok. Itutin.
Ilokasi below Dr. Ilokasi atulo Dr. Everyone
Okay.
sings so good. I know we're past the time, but maybe in a few minutes, maybe you can share what your experience was learning this. I know we have new folks in the room, and also I really like to challenge people to take what they've learned today and integrate it in their
Homes.
day. But Apostle, I'll let you go first since you're new to this.
Brand new. Newest. It's good. It's always good to be learning Inupiaq. And it's good because I'm, like I said, my daughter is in Yupik immersion, so I'm learning I'm starting to know more Yupik than I have Inupiaq. So I'm glad to be learning this, and now that I know that it's happening in parallel to the Yupik, so I can differentiate and make sure that, and start speaking that with my kids too, so that they know that they're not just Yupik.
Yeah,
And
and I'll email you the PowerPoint.
it's good to see familiar faces, especially Suzuk from my ancient past. And Maggie, I really like the way you speak. You have the Inupiaq. It's like you have the Inupiaq mouth, and we're just trying to
Yeah.
condition it. You know?
You could tell that I've taught it like trying to use my face to help out.
Suna izuma Jarabi. I wonder what you're thinking about all this.
Kina mga
Kakayakoylak.
o karluidak.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. It's good to spend time with you guys. Just reminds me of last summer. Learning Inupiaq with you guys, so it's good to hang out. And definitely work on pronunciation and trying to learn how the endings work and all these verbs and trying to get used to those. But yeah, it's fun to hang out with you guys and see some new faces as well. Yeah.
Suna.
Suna Mark,
Um,
come say
yeah.
hi.
Yep. No, yeah, I agree with Mike. It's good to see you guys and practice with you guys. I find that when I write it down, I'm kind of making like I'll spell it like I should, and then after I'll kind of do like a pronunciation spelling almost.
Yeah.
And I find that that kind of helps me with retention a little bit more. So yeah, definitely beginners level for me, but it's good to give it a try and
Hear the sounds.
it
Again.
sounds, yeah.
Tiku. Susok.
It's so empowering, inspiring, and wonderful to have your family do this together and be vulnerable with each other. I find it's harder to learn and be vulnerable with the people we're closest to. So I sure love that. I also really love that we do it together and then we each do it. So like I started to turn my mic off so I could practice the same time that other people were practicing. So
Me too.
so it gives us that chance for multiple repetitions, and some of it is in front and some of it is behind. But it's still good, and the correction opportunities, it's good for us to watch and observe and listen, and I'm happy that I'm with a group of people who was willing to take the time to do it all the way through, and that we were a safe enough place to just let it happen. So thank you so much. And I've got my notes and I'm enjoying, and this is
I'll cut it in a minute. Leave it.
it's inspiring me. We haven't managed to take our steps with our family. We've scheduled time and we've not managed. And I got none of my kids managed to show up the first time, but one of my nieces did. And but I realized I definitely need adjustment. So I'm still reflecting on how we will approach this too, in a way that we can try to do this work as a family too. So thank you for the inspiration, and thank you for letting us be in your group.
You're a really gentle teacher, Anouk. I like learning with you.
Me too. I've had a lot of chances to learn with her, and I enjoy it as well, for sure.
Tiku. Kayanak. Akang.
Teku ilokasi Inupiatun ilusaruktuasi kanawata nutat uva ilate nalurot uva igazova gitin kanok kanik Inupiatun. I'm just thankful to hear that you're teaching this class to the younger group who have a chance right now to learn our Inupiaq language, because there's not very many new students or our people that we need to encourage them to continue learning Inupiaq. Dedra.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Lawrence. Kayanak kaigavsik. It's really Aġlizaqlaut to Cupkin. It's so good to see you. I'll make sure that I send you the recording and the PowerPoint so you can practice it and learn.
Kuya, I do apologize for showing up late. I'm trying to make this part of my routine, her weekly routine, and so I finally remembered an hour later to join. So I think I just need to write it down on my calendar so we all see it. Wanga Atikaa goloklu aktilu sitnasak miyugurunga agan iyaka igasluing miyugurut. My names are Akuluk and Akpati. My English name is Anna Ashtonfelter. I'm born and raised in Nome, Alaska, but I have family roots in White Mountain. I really crave safe spaces to learn Inupiaq, and Anok was actually one of my first teachers, and that was, I want to say, like 6 or 7 years ago, just opening my eyes to a different way to learn, to like make it a safe space, to make mistakes, to have good community. And so I keep being invited, so I figured I better join. And it's so wonderful to see you all, and I do apologize for being late. But I do my best to teach my son at home. So we do mostly numbers and animals and things like that. I'm a little hesitant to start doing sentences, even simple sentences, but we do our best with where we're at, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity with you all.
Yeah, and so I'm seeing my connection to the internet is unstable, so maybe you can hear me, maybe you can't, but I just wanted to so we were just wrapping up Akulok, but I'm so glad that you came, because this is the beginning of making this your routine, and I so appreciate hearing the work you do with your son. It's so inspiring, and this is a good way to keep it up, right? This is a good way to add to it. You know, it's adding to your repertoire is always a challenge. So yeah, for letting me practice and letting me actually learn the curriculum I wrote. I really find that I'm integrating it more in my home after I teach it. And so you know, we meet every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. I'll try to make calendar invites so that it's easier for people to remember. I have sometimes a hard time like getting it out there in time, and but I will see you all again on next Saturday.
I wanted to
And
say,
make sure.
I think we all really appreciate whatever it is that you do, whether it's late or on time or whatever. We are, I'm just, you know, it's been 1996 is when I first started learning, and I've been trying, and the opportunities are few and far between, and I'm very, very grateful for anything you do. And I'm sure we all are. And this is Liam and Emmeline. Nigraka looking, I can't remember his Inupiaq name.
This is rainbow like, and this is rainbow.
Cute.
This is rainbow crystals, rainbow crystals. It was 3D printed. If you look there, we bought it at a festival.
Okay.
Good to see. I love seeing kids come to this class. That's why we do this work. Kakulu nana kunlu.
Nanakulu. Panoratu.
Anak ulun. Koyanak.